Some people work hard their entire lives, yet only a few truly achieve prosperity. This is because prosperity isn't a destination, it's a gate. Today, I reveal the Prosperity Gate Theory, a unique combination of skill, timing, alignment, and opportunity that leads to financial breakthrough. Everyone possesses a gate, but not everyone discovers it, often chasing money instead of finding their unique flow. Your prosperity gate falls into one of three rare categories: the gift gate, the service gate, or the alignment gate. The gift gate is your natural excellence, where your rare ability produces extraordinary value, making you wealthy by doing what others find difficult. The service gate unlocks when you solve problems at a depth only you can reach, helping people in a uniquely impactful way. The alignment gate, the most powerful, opens when your skill, mindset, experience, and relationships perfectly converge. To rise financially, stop asking, "Where is the money?" and start asking, "Where is my gate?" Find your gate, walk through it, and prosperity will transform from an accident into your identity.